The Kepler telescope was a NASA mission launched on March 7, 2009, with the primary goal of discovering Earth-sized exoplanets orbiting in the habitable zone of their stars, where liquid water could exist on their surface. The spacecraft was named after the German astronomer Johannes Kepler, who is famous for his laws of planetary motion. The Kepler spacecraft was designed to monitor a single field of view in the constellations Cygnus and Lyra, staring at more than 150,000 stars simultaneously using its 95-megapixel camera. It worked by measuring tiny fluctuations in the brightness of stars, known as transits, caused by a planet passing in front of them. By observing these transits, the Kepler telescope could detect the size and orbit of the exoplanet and estimate its density and composition. During its initial mission, Kepler discovered thousands of exoplanets, including many that were Earth-sized or slightly larger, and in the habitable zone of their stars. One of its most notable discoveries was Kepler 452b, which was announced in July 2015 and is considered the most Earth-like exoplanet discovered to date. It is about 1.6 times the size of Earth, and it orbits a sun-like star at a distance that could allow liquid water to exist on its surface. In addition to discovering exoplanets, the Kepler mission also produced a wealth of data that has allowed astronomers to study the properties of stars and to better understand the formation and evolution of planetary systems. In May 2013, Kepler experienced a major mechanical failure in 2 of its 4 reaction wheels, which are used to point the telescope. However, engineers were able to find a way to stabilize the spacecraft using its remaining reaction wheels and thrusters. And in 2014, NASA approved an extended mission known as K2. The K2 mission allowed Kepler to continue its exoplanet search by observing a different patch of the sky every few months. During the K2 mission, Kepler made several significant discoveries, including the first exoplanet found using the transit method to be orbiting a white dwarf star, and the first planet found orbiting 2 stars that are themselves orbiting a 3rd star. The Kepler mission came to an end in October 2018, when NASA announced that the spacecraft had run out of fuel and would be retired. However, its legacy lives on, as scientists continue to study the data it collected and make new discoveries about the properties and prevalence of exoplanets throughout the galaxy.